Panerai fans, it's official. The legend of the Luminor just got leaner, meaner, and sleeker. Meet the Panerai Luminor GMT Ceramica PAM01460, the first ever 40mm ceramic Panerai. It takes everything we love about the classic Luminor, the bold design, the rugged build, the iconic crown guard, and compresses it into a stealthy, travel-ready package that's perfect for everyday wear. At first glance, it's pure Luminor, unmistakable lines, cushion-shaped case, and that signature crown protector. But here's where it gets special. This is a full ceramic case, sandblasted for a matte finish that feels both luxurious and tactical. It measures 40mm across and just right on the wrist, not oversized like the classic 44mm or 47mm models. The crown guard, also made from ceramic, features a mix of satin and polished finishes, giving subtle contrast without breaking the stealth aesthetic. Flip it over, and you'll find a Grade 5 titanium caseback with a smoked sapphire window. Lighter, stronger, and built for real-world use. And yes, it's still a 300-meter wire-resistant diver, pressure-tested 25% beyond its rating. The dial is classic Panerai, minimalist yet powerful. A black sun-brushed sandwich dial with creamy Superluminova X2 glowing through the cutout numerals at 6 and 12. Small seconds sit nicely at 9 o'clock. A date window balances the design at 3, and a slender Aero GMT hand quietly tracks a second time zone. The bitempo script on the dial nods to Panerai's Italian heritage, elegant, understated, and full of personality. Under daylight, it's crisp and legible, but once the lights go out, this thing turns into a glowing cockpit instrument. Inside beats Panerai's P900/GMT caliber, made at Richemont's Val-Fleurier facility. It runs at 28,800 vibrations per hour, delivers a 3-day power reserve, and features bidirectional winding and stop seconds for precision setting. It's compact, reliable, and keeps the case slim. Proof that serious watchmaking doesn't always need to be oversized. The PAM01460 ships on a black calfskin strap with white stitching, sporty yet refined, and includes a black rubber strap for your next dive or weekend getaway. Both feature Panerai's PAM Click release system, so strap changes take seconds and require no tools. Available from October 2025 as part of Panerai's permanent collection, the Luminor GMT Ceramica 40mm retails for €15,300 or about $15,800. The Panerai Luminor GMT Ceramica PAM01460 is more than just a size update. It's proof that Panerai can evolve without losing its soul. It's compact, tough, and beautifully balanced, the perfect gateway for those who've always admired the Luminor, but wanted it in a truly wearable size. Would you go 40mm for your next Panerai? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more watch stories that go beyond the dial.